Good morning, students. Once again, I said
Good
good
morning,
morning,
sir.
students.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now listen first. So last few days, I have been giving you the video clips. So the video clips you have covered direct and inverse variation. Is there any problem you are facing in direct and inverse variation?
No, sir.
No, then even the graphical
No,
representation
sir.
also I have sent the video clips which I recorded for
No,
other classes.
sir.
Okay, so same thing it will be for you. That's why I have sent it. Okay, now listen. Before starting exercise 15.1, I like to test you how much you have understood. Here, 15 chapter 15.2 is the most important exercise because we will be conducting test online. So 15.1 and 15.3 it is very difficult to set question paper online. Okay, because online question all will be the object type. Clear? So object type, for object type 15.2 is the most important exercise and it is also very essential for your class 9. Okay, that's why I'm just a little bit I'm talking about 15.2. So in your graph paper, Cartesian plane means what? The paper is nested in centimeter or millimeter, entire sheet. That's what is Cartesian plane. On that sheet, something we have to plot. So for this, to plotting this, we have to draw a line at the middle, horizontal and vertical. Now tell me some name of this. Acha, Komal, what is the name of the line? Horizontal axis, x axis. X axis. What is the another name of x axis? Komal, I'm asking to you. What is the another name of x axis? Finished. Acha, now Abel, can you hear me, Abel? Abel, can you hear me? What's the problem? Are you listening my class, students? Abel, what is the name? Another name of x-axis. What is the another name of x-axis? I'm talking to Abel. Abel, are you present? No problem. Acha, Moli, what is the another name of x-axis? Please answer.
So can I tell?
Who? Tell your name.
Sir, Tanu.
Tanu, tell me, what is the another name of x-axis?
Sir. Sir, ABI double ABI.
Abscissa. Abscissa. So these are the very important point question. ABSCISSA. Abscissa. Another name of x-axis, horizontal. Another name of y-axis, ordinate. Ordinate.
Coordinate.
ठीक है? What is the
Coordinate.
name of the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis? What is the name of point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis? You people are not studying at all. Your result will be very poor this time.
Origin.
Origin. Origin. Okay. And now see your graph paper are segmented centimeter and millimeter. So you have to consider the centimeter. Okay. So from this exercise, what I am talking, you have to name the different this. Okay. So x-axis this side. Now when we divide the Cartesian plane, your graph paper, horizontally and vertically, it has formed 4 parts. Okay. What are the name of these 4 parts? 4 segment. What is the first part? What is the name?
The coordinate.
First quadrant. This is the first quadrant, and its first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is both side x value of x axis and value of y axis both will be positive. First value is for x axis, second value is for y axis. Both the values are positive. And here first x axis is negative and y axis is positive. That is minus plus. Very important. That's why I am repeating. X minus plus. And third axis, both x axis negative and y axis also negative.
Is
And
negative.
fourth axis, x axis is positive, y axis is negative.
Y is negative.
So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Just I am revising it. So I have sent the video clip. You have not gone through it. Okay. And the name of the x-axis is abscissa. Name of the y-axis is ordinate. And the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Okay. Now what is called the coordinate? What is called coordinate? Suppose P point, point P. Find the coordinate of point P. So how much it is away from the origin? So coordinate is the distance. Coordinate is the distance regarding what? The point locating in a particular
Point
quadrant
of origin.
away from the origin. How do you contact it? How do we find out it? By drawing the perpendicular line on the x-axis. So you draw the perpendicular line of x-axis and perpendicular line of y-axis. So if I draw, so how many centimeter? 2, and it is also 1, 2, 3. So coordinate of point P is 2, 3. Understood my point? First value is for x-axis, second value is for y-axis. How do we do it? Find it out. We drop the perpendicular line from the point on the x-axis and from the point on the y-axis. Okay, and both the value will be positive. This first quadrant is positive. Suppose I like to find a point, say मान लो it is y point. How to find out the y point? Draw the perpendicular line. This. So how much it is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 7. First x-axis. And how much it is from the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive. So this one is first x-axis is negative. This x-axis this side negative, y-axis downward side negative, y-axis upward side positive, and x-axis your right hand side positive. So we have to identify first which one is positive, which side is positive, which side is negative. What is the point of plotting? Have you understood? So abscissa, ordinate, origin, coordinate. Coordinate means the distance, how much it away from its origin. Okay. How to find out? We find out by dropping perpendicular line from the point to x-axis and y-axis, and then count. First will be x-axis, second value will be for y-axis. याद रखना क्योंकि नाइन्थ में ये है, nobody will explain in detail, and whatever the textbook questions are there, these are not coming, because in a textbook all the coordinates are in your first quadrant, so they are not discussing about the second, third, fourth. I have cleared it in front of you, because in ninth class it will come first, second, third, application of first, second, third, fourth quadrant all will come. So nobody will tell you again. So that's why I'm giving you the textbook question is nothing. That will not come. Whatever I am saying, it will come. It will come. Okay. Plotting the points on the graph paper. Okay. Say I am showing it. You have to find it out. So look. At a glance, I am telling you. X-axis this side positive, x-axis this side negative. Y-axis on the upward direction positive, downward direction negative. Okay, so and whenever the points are given, first value is for x-axis and second value is for y-axis. This quadrant first, second, third, fourth. In the question paper, I will say point this and this lies on which axis? Lies on dash. So you have to locate the quadrant. In which quadrant? Each corner is called quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay. Say say point A. Its value is minus 3, 4. Where it lies? Tell me. Abel? Abel, can you hear me?
Sir, can you please zoom out the video?
Zoom out?
You can do it itself, Ayushi.
Not required. It is on your hand. It is on your hand.
Sir, can I tell?
Who? Abel will answer.
Sir, Vignesh.
Abel will answer. Abel, tell me. Point A, its value is minus 3,
Sir,
4.
can I tell?
Which quadrant it lies?
Sir, second.
Second quadrant. Abel is not talking. Why, Abel? Why you are not talking? Why you are not responding? Very bad. You are not talking with me. You are not answering. Now tell me, point B. Its value is 6 minus 3. Where it lies?
The fourth quadrant.
Sir, fourth quadrant. The fourth
Fourth
quadrant.
quadrant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. अभी आ रहा है धीरे धीरे. C. Its value is minus 4, minus 5. Where it lies?
Third coordinate.
Sir,
Sir, third coordinate. Third quadrant. Third
Third
quadrant.
quadrant. Now, say this one. Value is minus 5, 0. Where it lies?
sir, on the
Origin. So origin.
sign of
So origin
No.
and x-axis.
No.
sir on the x-axis.
Negative side of x-axis. Because
Yes.
you see 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y-axis 0. That means it is not moving. It is lying here only. So it lies on negative part of x-axis. Okay. Number 5.
Sir, can you explain again?
So
Fourth one.
minus 5, 0. Minus 5, 0. First value is for x, second value is for y. So minus 5
Y.
count karo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why this side? Because minus. X this side minus. X this side plus. Y upward direction plus. Y downward direction minus. Okay? So x is minus 5. You have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5. Here is the minus 5. And y is not moving. Y is 0. That means y is lying here only. So this is the position of
Okay, sir.
this is the position of D point on the quadrant, Cartesian plane. Understood my point? So now point
Yes, sir.
5 is E. E 3, 0. Where it lies?
sir on this side of x-axis.
Positive
Yes, sir.
side of x-axis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So 1, 2, 3. Here. Here 3, 0. ठीक है? This point.
Yes, sir.
Now next 6. F. Where it lies?
Sir, in the origin. Sir, on the origin.
On the
Sir,
origin.
yes, sir, on the origin.
Because
Origin.
x-axis also not moving and y-axis also not moving. So it lies on origin. Now another way I can set question. Tell me, what is the quadrant of origin? What is the coordinate? What is the coordinate of origin? Origin का वैल्यू निकालो. कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा?
Sir, 0.
0, 0.
Yes,
Not
sir,
only
0,
0. 0, 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will be 0 0. Are you listening?
Zero, zero.
Because this type of question are going to come in your exam. All auxiliary type. Okay, be careful. That's why I'm repeating. So coordinate of origin is 0 0 because it not in the x-axis, not in a y-axis also. Okay, that's why coordinate of coordinate means distance from the origin. The origin is a point also. Suppose so, what will be the coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin is 0 0. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
0 माइनस ये सब समझ में आ रहा है ना? Now अभी
Yes, sir.
प्लॉटिंग कैसे
Yes,
करें?
sir.
So say minus 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, drop the perpendicular line, and 4 1 2 3 4 here. So they are meeting here. This is the position of the point A.
A.
A minus 3 4. Understood? This way we have to drop perpendicular line from the point on the x-axis and on the y-axis also. So that will be the coordinate. So
Yes, sir.
now B, 6 minus 3, 6 positive, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and minus 3 here, 1 2
One,
3
two, three,
here. So this is the position of 6 minus 3.
three.
Understood? This way you have
Yes,
to
sir.
plot in your
Yes, sir. Yes,
exam.
sir.
Now, next C, minus 4 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This. This is the position of minus
C.
4 minus 5. And D already I have plotted. Minus 5
Yes.
0. 1 2 3 4 5 minus 5 0. And this one 3 0. 1 2
Where
3,
you
and
plotted?
this is 0 located, and 0 0 is for origin.
Sir,
Got
orange.
it? Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
So
No, sir.
just I am summarizing. On the Cartesian plane, what to do? We have to first identify the quadrant. This is first quadrant. Value is plus plus. Means x-axis also positive, y-axis also positive. This is the second quadrant. X will be negative, y will be positive. And this is the third quadrant. X and y both will be negative. And this is fourth quadrant. X is positive, y is negative. Understood? And this is the origin. X-axis and y-axis meeting at a point. And coordinate is what? Coordinate is distance. I will define coordinate as a distance. How much it away from its origin. How much it away from its origin. How do you measure it? By dropping perpendicular line from the point on the x-axis and on the y-axis. And where it is meeting, so इसको ऊपर perpendicular drop किया, कितना हुआ? 1 2 3, that is minus 3. एंड इसके ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉप हुआ, कितने हुआ? 1 2 3 4, पॉजिटिव 4. ओके, द minus 3 and 4 is the coordinate of A. Understood my point? And now plotting on the when it is 0 0, when it is coming 0 0, what to do? That means the point is lying on the origin. And another way, if I ask question, what is the coordinate of origin? 0 0. Have you understood? Now, then x-axis, what is the another name of x-axis? Abscissa. What is the another name of y-axis? Ordinate.
Coordinate.
Okay, these are the area I can ask question. Please be careful. Go to the video clips again and again. Go to the video clips again and again. I am telling you, whatever the clips I have sent you for another classes, लेकिन total point मैंने discuss किया, and वहीं से ही question होगा, not from your textbook. So textbook I told you only one quadrant given, but in exam it will cover all quadrant. All quadrant. It is very very important for you. Now I am coming to exercise 15.1. Exercise 15.1. So in your class 5 onward, you have drawn different type of bar graph. Okay, bar graph, then double bar graph, pictograph, pictorial representation. Then you have in class 8 Also in graph, that is data handling, you have come to know about histogram also. Now here we have to know line graph. Okay, and third exercise is the linear line graph. That means it will form a straight line that I have given you in the form of video clips for the which I recorded for other classes. Okay, same will be applicable for you. So now we have to join question number exercise 15 point of this. When graph is there, no need to draw. Only you see the graph and answer. You have to answer the question given. You see this graph is related to the temperature, day temperature. Okay. Now we have to give the answer. What is the patient temperature? Day temperature means not the temperature. It is a record of patient's body temperature in a hospital. Okay. What was the temperature of the patient at 1 p.m.? What was the temperature at 1 p.m.? You see 1 p.m. is where? 1 p.m. by x-axis and y-axis meeting at 36.5. So question number this A. Patient temperature at 1 p.m. Write down patient body temperature at 1 p.m. was 36.5 degree C. Have understood?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing?
Sir.
Note down, note down. I have to rub it.
So will you
Huh? Tell me.
so
I
will
may
you send
upload
the
this video clip, but it will take time, not now, because we have to reduce the size. Total recording size is more than 3 GB. I cannot. Priyashmita is leaving. Why? I don't understand. So 25 students are present. B. What was the patient temperature at what time the patient temperature 38.5? Now they are saying you pinpoint the 38.5. 38.5 38.5 when it is? It is 12 o'clock.
12.
At 12 o'clock
12 o'clock.
at 12 o'clock clock patient body temperature was 38.5 degree C. So when graph is there, you see the graph and answer it. Very simple type question. Okay, no need to draw graph. So the patient body temperature remains same 2 times during a period. कौन से time
1
पर?
and 2 p.m.
That
So
means
1 p.m.
1
and
and
2
2
p.m.
p.m.
No, sir, 1 and 2
1
p.m.
p.m. and 1 to 2 p.m. At 1 to 2 p.m. patient's
Okay.
body temperature remains the remain the same. Do it. Now next is what was the temperature at 130? 130 lies between the 1 and 2. So in between 1 and 2, what are the vertical line is there? And it is on horizontal line meeting at what? 36.5. At 1 p.m. at 1:30 at 1:30 p.m. patient's body temperature was 36.5 degrees C. 36.5 degree na? 36.5 degree. Now,
Yes, sir.
during which period did the patient temperature showed an upward trend? Upward trend is
11
what?
a.m.
Huh?
11. So 11. 11.
No. No. Upward trend. Which periods? S is there. So 9 to 11. देखो
So
9
9.
से 10 तक भी बढ़ रहा है. 10 से
9
11
to
तक
11.
भी 11 तक भी बढ़ा, इसके बाद डाउन 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 एंड देन अगेन 2 to 3 p.m. also little upward trend. 9 to 11 and 2 to 3. This duration, this period duration, the patient body temperature in upward trend. मतलब बढ़ रहा है, घट रहा है नहीं, सेम भी नहीं, ये बढ़ रहा है टेम्परेचर. सो योर आंसर विल बी at 9 to 11 a.m. and 1 to 2 p.m. patient body temperature was an upward trend.
सर ये कैसे किया आपने समझ में नहीं आया.
अपवर्ड ट्रेंड. आज समझ में नहीं आया, दिस सिंपल वर्ड आप लोग समझ में नहीं आया. किस क्वेश्चन ने क्या बोला है, ये जो ग्राफ दिखाई दे रहा है, ये ग्राफ में कौन सी टाइम पर पेशेंट का टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है. सो यू सी 9 to 10 is the graph is increasing order, it is increasing. 9 at 9 it was 35.5 and at 10 it was 36 and 10 to 11 suddenly it has rose to what, 39 degrees centigrade. After that downward at 2 p.m. it is 36.5, okay, and 3 p.m. it is 37. सो कहां पर बढ़ रहा है टेम्परेचर, सो अपवर्ड ट्रेंड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो 9 to 11 अपवर्ड ट्रेंड एंड 1 to 2 p.m. अपवर्ड ट्रेंड. कोई प्रॉब्लम नाउ?
No sir.
एवरीबॉडी अंडरस्टूड?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
हाँ. बिजनेस ट्री, आर यू लिसनिंग?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem you are
Yes,
facing? Have you gone through the previous video clips? Later to this chapter 15.2 and 15.3 I have given in the form of video clips. So have you understood?
Yes sir.
So you have to pick up the points. Whatever the important areas of 15.2 I have revised and this will be very very important for exam. आप फिर दोबारा एक बार देखोगे again that video clips and today's video clip.
Okay sir.
Sir, what syllabus?
सिलेबस within this week will come to know. अभी भी मेरे को इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं दिया गया, I cannot tell you now. So I think they will decide today, tomorrow or day after you will come to know. Now question number 2, a very simple type you can do alone, कोई problem नहीं है. So now here also graph is given, you see the graph and answer it. This is regarding the sale of a company, okay, manufacturer and sale. So what is the year and the sale is in crore. The following graph shows the sale figure of the manufacturing company. What was the sale in 2002? 2002 it was 4
Sir 4 crore.
crore. Question number 2A. क्वेश्चन नंबर ये होगा ए का 2, ए पार्ट 1, द सेल in 2002 was 4 crore. Number 2, what was the sale in 2006?
Sir 8 crore.
So the sale in 2008 was 8 crore. Now next again the sale 2003 it is 7 crore. The
7
production
crore.
in 2003 was 7 crore. Clear? Number 2, 2003, 2005 What was the production in
10
2005?
10 crore. 10 crore.
To a 10 crore. So this is related to um, production. And now we comparison. Compute the difference between the sale in 2002 and 2006. 2002 it was 4 crore and 2006 it was 8 crore. What is the difference?
4 crore.
4 crore.
4 crores.
So this
4
way you have
crore.
to answer. So compute the difference between the 2004 and 2008. 2004 and 2008. Now 2002 and 2006. The difference, can we here see it? This line, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
The difference of cell between 2000, 2002 and 2006. 2002 and 2006 was, क्या होगा, 8 minus 4 equals to 4 crore. Got it?
Yes, sir.
In which year there was a greatest difference between the two years? बताओ. In which year the difference is more? You see, in 2004 the production is 6 and 2005 the production is 10. So within 1 year the jump is what? 4 crore. And here I have shown now it is 2002 to 2006. In 4 years the difference is 4 crore, and in 1 year it jump is what? Jump is 5 crore. It is 6 and that was in 10. Okay, so in which year? D. I'm writing here. In the year of the highest difference between the year of 2000 what 2004 and 2005. 2004 and 2005. Okay, you can show the result also. 2004 and 2005. So this is very simple type of calculation and representation. You can do it alone. कोई problem नहीं होना चाहिए. You can do it. Okay. Now, when there is a double line graph, this line graph is not straight. It is broken somewhere. That's why it is not linear. But the exercise 15.3, that was a linear line graph. That means straight line. Now, here also the computation of what? Growth of plant A and B in different weeks they have shown. You have to see the graph and answer it. So I am doing this one, and rest you will practice. After that, revision will start after today. Revision will start. Whatever the work I will be giving you, that will be in the form of revision. You have to take it in the form of revision. It may be the whole chapter or it may be the selected question. Okay, and I will give you that type of question only which is possible to set for annual exam, because limitation is there. MCQ, fill in the blanks and true false, ये 3 types question ही आएगा. But to get the answer, little calculation will be required. That will do in your rough work, that which you have done already in periodic test 2. Same pattern, same ditto. आपको कुछ नया नहीं करना नहीं है, खाली छोटा मोटा कैलकुलेशन होगा. क्विकली यू हैव टू डू इट. नाउ हाउ हाई द प्लान.
So Wednesday you will do the revision of which chapter?
लेट्स सी. अभी पीछे नहीं जाएंगे, पीछे का क्योंकि हमारे पास क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं आया. सो आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स वेरिएशन ओनली. ओके, I will start from direct and inverse variation. Whatever the question, probable question will be there. I will give you them. I will give you your WhatsApp group, and I will discuss those question. Okay, selected question pattern for that annual exam. ये डायरेक्ट एंड इनवर्स वेरिएशन एंड डिवाइस याद रखना. अगर मैं भूल जाऊं तो मेरे को याद कर देना.
Yes. Okay, sir.
How high
Yes, sir.
was the plant A after 2 weeks? After 2 weeks के बाद what is the growth of the plant A and B both are having this is 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter. But how high the plant after 1 week? Plant A, plant A and B. Plant A, plant A, plant A. Height
आज भी ख्याल थे
height after second week na after
Yes, sir.
after a number second week was how much?
Sir,
Second
7 centimeters.
7 centimeter. Number 2 after third week में कितना है? Plant A is a dotted
Sir,
9 centimeter. Third week was 9 centimeter. Number B, plant B का बारे में. Plant B height HEI height after second week and also third week. Second week was second week दोनों सेम था 7 centimeter. Number 2 third week
Sir,
was
10 centimeters.
इस बार थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. It is 10 centimeter. Got it? So देखो मेरा स्कूल जाने का टाइम हो गया. ठीक है. So I'm leaving it to you. Please you do little bit here. Only question number 5. Question number 4 also same as question 3. You see the graph, compare it, and especially this type of question if I am giving, there is no calculation. You only visual answer, visual explanation. Visual explanation point देखो और आंसर करना है. इसको बनाने के लिए मैं कभी भी नहीं दूंगा. Clear? क्योंकि it is not possible for online test. Only I can get the answer by simple visual performance. Okay, so you will do it. And from Wednesday onward I will be revising your chapter. The first chapter will be direct and inverse variation. A chapter exam में होगा ही. I have not decided but it will come. एंड प्रीवियस जो एक्सरसाइज है जो करना चाहते हैं एडवांस में उनके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. मैंने ऑलरेडी सिलेक्टेड करके रखा अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रेटल एंड एक्सपोनेंट. ठीक है. अभी देखते हैं फाइनल वो लोग क्या देते हैं एंड देन आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू. अगर मैं रिवीजन में जाऊँ तो रिवीजन पहले मैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रेटल ही करूँगा. इसके बाद एक्सपोनेंट के ऊपर रिवीजन कराऊँगा अगर वो परमिट करे तो. सो दैट विल कम टू नो विद इन दिस वीक बट मैं अपना काम करते रहूँगा. क्लियर. सो देन वेडनेसडे आई विल बी टेकिंग योर क्लास लाइव क्लास ऑनलाइन क्लास in your classroom, Google Classroom. Okay, that will be in direct and inverse variation. It may be direct or it may be inverse, no problem. And after explanation, I will send you selected question in your WhatsApp group. कोई problem? Have you understood my what I am like to say?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, Molly, any
Yes, sir.
problem, any
Sir,
confusion?
so can we practice understanding quadrilaterals and exponents?
Yes,
How?
in advance you can practice because if I am allowing to set the question, I will select these two chapter only. Okay, understanding quadrilateral and ये exponent and power. ठीक है. तो इसको आप इन एडवांस आप प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो. इनके लिए मैंने हाफेली और बिफोर हाफेली आई हैव गिवन यू सम सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन आल्सो. आई थिंक यू हैव दैट सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir.
दादा
वही क्वेश्चन
Yes,
को
sir.
फिर दोबारा देखो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
वही क्वेश्चन ही देखो, ज्यादा कुछ हार्ड देखने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन आई वांट, इस बार तुम लोग बोले थे गुड आंसर, हम कोई आंसर लेकर आएंगे, मार्क्स लेकर आएंगे, लेकिन हुआ नहीं। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम लिटिल बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड, बट मार्क्स खराब नहीं है, आपको मिल जाएगा मार्क्स एनीवे। So no more today. We'll be meeting on Wednesday. Till then,
Yes.
bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.